up there?
Oh.
I guess not. God. I feel I should mention that I created this robot to pick locks. Kinda got a little carried away.
Hey. Affirmative. See what you can do. Confirmed.
I believe in you! You can do it! You can get over the gap. No!
Beginning requested task. Attempt failed. Repeating.
It's actually locking,
Attempt
picking the
failed.
lock from there?
Repeating. Task complete.
Holy crap. It picked the lock from another room.
Hey. Affirmative. Think you can unlock that?
The safe isn't over there.
I have returned.
I ordered the robot to unlock a safe.
Oh, cool.
Beginning requested.
It is nowhere near the safe, and it opened it. Pharaoh, you are dumb as hell, but you are good at your job.
Good day.
Yeah. It's a pharaoh.
You want a can? Spooky skeleton?
So,
You want another can? I think I'm angering the dead. Oh. Hey, actually... it's a can launcher now. This is fantastic. Got another one. Come on. Okay, got another one. I had a jetpack on this thing.
uh-oh. I blame Zeke.
It says a jetpack torso. Hey, stop that! No tomfoolery in here. Oh, okay, so the jetpack just suddenly pops out, much like Pharaoh does. Oh, god damn, Pharaoh! That's a twofer there. It's like the what the shit? The jetpack is just lagging behind me. Ah!
Oh, no. Quench your thirst for adventure at Nuka World.
Wait, I didn't actually. Why does it ask me to send Pharaoh somewhere? Sure, go to Sanctuary Hills. Oh, okay, I guess I made them attack me. I think I deserve that. Holy shit! Yeah, nuke the house! Nuke the house! I built that robot for lockpicking.
You keep saying, oh, Z-Cap, it's not Z-Cap.
No, I didn't. I was trying not to blow them up like that. Damn it! Wow!
Beginning search pattern.
Oh, and now there's blood bugs. Oh God! I'm not a lock. So you're gonna You can do something?
Be
No?
advised. Hostiles in area. Threat neutralization in progress.
I kind of gathered that. There about it. Go. Dude! God damn!
You're property of Nisha in Nuka Town now.
What?
Get going.
No.
These guys are so silly. Including that sign that says you need to wear clothes. Please think of others. Oh shit! Ah, God!
That's the best. Uh-oh.
Didn't even kill him!
What happened? Cave cricket. Legendary cave cricket. Cave cricket. Legendary
Ah!
cave cricket. Oh, shit.
I don't think you neutralized the problem. I think it went the entire other way. You reversed the polarity of the situation, Pharaoh.
And, or sniper rifles that are like 11... No, well, they're like 11 pounds... No, like 16 pounds and sub 170 caps, something like that. I think the operators
How far did I fly there? Jeez.
Hostile detected.
Oh, what the hell?
Safety can no longer be guaranteed.
The hell? Is that a flaming butterfly just floating right there? Covered in smoke. Am I having a stroke? Huh. Looks like a bird from this angle. What? I'm not done with him yet! Oh, he's no! No! It's a barrier! They thought of everything!
What was the hell was that painting there? Out of
I don't
nowhere?
know. It seemed planned. God!
Operation success.
What are those ants doing over there? Pharaoh's gone mad with power. He's just nuking and blasting one little patch of land over here. For what? There's nothing there. You attacking?
Alert. Use of lethal force in progress. Non-combatant safety cannot be guaranteed.
What are you attacking? Well, I guess you stopped. Oh, never mind.
Alert.
Got a pair of ants here that have forgotten how to ant. What? Oh, he helps me from the great beyond.